This is the new project management portal. We've recently had a makeover of this area. So the upper right hand corner shows the stats on all of the current projects being worked on. The active projects, open tasks, overdue tasks, and the critical tasks. It's color coded by the priority. So over here at the top, you can see the key or index defining what the color circles indicate. For example, the green shows on target. And just below it, it shows the project name, due date, priority color, project manager, percentage of completion. And just scroll down here and you can scroll over to see that area. And they're indicated by color dots. So then you scroll back down and you can see my time. And to enter your time, you can select new, or you can select the project name to edit it. So that's what I'm going to do right now, so you can see that option. And it will display the date, the time, work type, and if it's billable or not. It will populate for you for your personal time only, and the my time by project, and it's also the same way, and same for the my time, and all of that's for you, except for at the top it's for the team, so everybody can see kind of what the team is doing. And you click over here, you can edit your project here when you finish the tasks, but these tasks will automatically be added to this timeline. It's a great way to track it as a team. So I'm just going to scroll past the calendar and go down to the document center. So these tasks will automatically be on the timeline, but in the document center area, it's built within SharePoint, which is the core area for this platform. And you can add documents by clicking on the plus sign, and then next choose file, and you can add a document of your choice. It might take about 5 minutes to show up in this area. And you can hover over a document to see a quick preview of it. It'll just pop up like that. It also displays version of document. The document icon will change to reflect the document type, such as a PDF and PowerPoint, as well as being color-coded for quick reference. And within this window, when you click Follow, it will generate a shortcut to your favorite section on the home page of your portal. In addition, you can edit, send to coworkers, as well as view library. So I'm going to click that, which you'll be able to see your documents in a list view, which is the document, it's the default view library. And you also have the option to drag and drop documents into this area if you have more than one to upload at a time. And you can also add tags. So we're going to go back to the other window. So you can see you can add tags, and to see documents with the tag contracts, choose that option, choose the file type, and then click apply, and this is what pops up. And you can also search based on the author and modified date, and you can search for the file name here as well, and that's how the document center works. So now I'm going to scroll down to the conversation section, which is basically Yammer integration. Here's where the team can communicate easily about the projects that they're working on together, and you can notify a specific person, and it works like a common social media platform. People can like it and reply to your comments. And on the main project portal section, you can create a new project here. Click on a new drop-down menu button. See it popped up? Okay, so you add a new project, and that window pops up, and you fill in the details of the project name, description, start and due dates, search for the project manager, select the name of the customer, priority level, enter the number for the percentage of how far along the project is, risk options, status, schedule, budget, and quality details for your project. And when you want to update the project status, choose to edit and change the values in the same window to manage your project.